So, hi, Carlos. Thank you very much to be here with us today.
Yeah, nice to be here.
And actually, guys, I do know Carlos for a while. We've got some private mentoring before, and now he did a really great job because he just won the second place on our TEFS competition and
Yes.
won a student light account. So, congrats, first of all.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy and a little bit surprised, but that's okay.
I was not. I knew you can do it. Actually, great. Okay. Before we start everything like deep in the strategies and so on, could you just introduce yourself a little bit on the background, on the trading background?
My name is Carlos. I'm a musician, and I started trading like I think a lot of people when COVID hit. So I was found myself with a lot of time, and I started exploring what it was like trading. I didn't know anything, so I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I tried a lot of platforms. I think maybe even like 10 or 12, 13 different like programs and platforms. And when I hit like the TEFS, that was like one of the first times that I thought, hey, this could really work because it looks understandable. I can really understand what it's about, and it was really fast and dependable. It didn't crash, so yeah, I really liked it. And
So it
of
meant
course,
like a difference.
yeah, exactly. It really made a difference. It was really professional.
Thank you. Happy to hear that.
Mhm.
Yeah, I know. And you had several accounts with us,
Yeah.
with some mentoring. I know. Indeed. And how did you approach the competition? Like, did you have any specific strategy, the ones we were learning about, or did you use anything specific?
Well, the things I did different is not trading in the first 20 minutes. Just when the stock market opens, I'm just looking at the direction the market is going. And even when I do see setups, I don't take it. So it's like an exercising constraint. And after like 20, 30 minutes, then I see where the market is going. And then I see setups. And then
Great. So you became more selective, as I was just asking from you.
Yeah.
Very happy to hear. Good. And you see, result is here.
Absolutely.
Very good. Okay. So you mentioned that you like the platform. Support is there, definitely. I've seen you in the trading room several times as well. Did it help you?
Yes.
In some way?
But the most thing I like from the trading room is the company, because sitting here alone, nobody understands what I'm doing. My girlfriend doesn't understand. My children don't understand. My friends don't really understand. But here in the trading room, there are like-minded people who understand what's going on. Sometimes I'm just not really listening at setups, just like hear the chit chatter. It's like company. And that's what I like about the trading room.
Thank you. Yes, well, I feel the same. Like we have a really, really great like trading family there, members for a long time. The calls are not bad either, indeed, and even the traders call actually. So okay. So you mentioned before we started the interview that you started trading already, and you are going to the conservative way now, like with the risk management and the setups. That sounds really great. And if you're going to stay like that, I'm sure there will be scaling, hopefully soon, to the student account. That's the next step.
It's what for me it's like patience, not only during like a training session, but also my whole trading career, because a part of me wants to like make it big tomorrow or today.
Exactly.
But
I know.
I noticed when I just step by step, that's the path for me.
That's the way. Yeah, for everyone, Carlos, it's just, it's discipline, and to keep the balance, it's really hard. I know. Okay. And how did you feel when you just got know that the competition it's over and you got the second place?
Yes,
Oh, you
it
were
was like,
surprised?
oh, exactly, over the moon. Is that my name? Carlos L. Is that? Yeah, that's my name. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, I was really, really thrilled and surprised. It's like a validation. I've been at it for like 4 or 5 years, and sometimes I really felt like throwing in the towel, like this is not for me, maybe I should do something else.
Yeah.
But for some reason, I did not do that. I kept at it. Also, because I enjoy it. I like looking at what the market is doing. Yeah, it interests me. So that's what I like. So I'm glad that
Very good.
now it's now very conservative is going the right direction. So that's nice.
Great. Well, listen, I'm going to be here for you to help, as you know.
Mm-hmm.
That's for sure, for the way. And you're not alone. Like a lot of traders is feeling like that. I was in your shoes as well, actually. I gave up once, indeed. But then I restarted. So yeah, to be a trader, I think it's a unique thing. We have one in common. We love trading, actually. And we're not giving up. And you are on a good path, Carlos. So you're going to be okay. At the last, what would you say someone thinking entering the trading field? Like, what would you suggest? How to start? Where to start? Who to choose?
Yeah. Well, what I did, I listened to everyone because from the start I cannot distinguish the good advice from the bad advice. So I listened to all the advice, and especially with paper trading, you get a sense of this type of advice works and this type of advice does not work. So yeah, it's still trial and error. That's what it comes down to. So that and patience, trial and error.
Patience and great guidance, I would say, because I was the same. There are lots of info out there about brokerages, companies, technical analysis, this strategy, that strategy. But what matters at the end, what is working? Definitely. So this is what we are trying to achieve here as well. That especially me, like teaching the things which are really working. Unfortunately, I cannot teach you to be more patient. So still the biggest part is on you. But I feel like you're doing a great job, and I was thrilled to see your name as well on the second place.
Nice.
It was definitely follow the competition. So congrats again, Carlos, and we are going to keep in touch anyway. So
yes,
thank you.
Definitely.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Okay.